Welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. I'm your host, Glenn Kafer. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. The tip for Tuesday is preparing your plastic parts for fastening to balsa sections. The first step is to separate the plastic parts. That is the nose cowl, and this is the spinner. Don't know what that is. We will be dealing with the spinner. Using a sharp knife to score close to the edge without going all the way through. Remember, it is sharp. Cut away from your fingers. Now you want to worry it off by moving it back and forth till it breaks free. And there you have it. Sand off any excess with 120 grit paper. I'm using the Excel sanding stick with 120 grit paper. Thank you for watching Quick Tip Tuesday.